Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a surprising superfood that's full of incredible health benefits, beetroot. From boosting stamina to supporting heart health, beetroot is more than just a colorful veggie. By the end of this video, you'll see why it's worth adding to your diet. Let's start with what makes beetroot so special nutritionally. Just 1 cup of beetroot contains high levels of essential nutrients, including fiber for digestion, folate, which supports cell function and tissue growth, vitamin C to boost immunity, potassium for blood pressure regulation, iron, which is crucial for red blood cell production. Plus, beetroot is low in calories, making it a great addition for anyone looking to eat healthy without adding too many extra calories. So, what are the specific health benefits of beetroot? Let's break them down. Beetroot is packed with nitrates, which improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles. This can boost stamina and endurance, perfect for athletes or anyone who wants to stay active. Studies have shown that consuming beet juice before a workout can improve athletic performance and reduce muscle fatigue. The nitrates in beetroot don't just help with stamina, they also support heart health. Nitrates can help lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels, which is crucial in reducing the risk of heart disease. High in dietary fiber, beetroot promotes healthy digestion and can help prevent constipation. Fiber keeps your gut healthy, which has an impact on everything from nutrient absorption to immune function. Beetroots contain betalains, a type of antioxidant that has anti-inflammatory properties. This makes beetroot a valuable food for reducing chronic inflammation, which is linked to diseases like arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. The nitrates in beets improve blood flow not just to muscles but also to the brain. Studies show that beetroot may improve cognitive function and slow the progression of dementia, particularly in older adults. If you're wondering how to include beetroot in your meals, here are some tasty ideas. Beet juice is an easy and delicious way to get all the benefits of beets. Try mixing it with carrots, apples, and ginger for a refreshing juice. Add grated or sliced beetroot to your salads for a sweet, earthy crunch. Pair it with spinach, nuts, and goat cheese for a nutrient-packed combo. Roasting brings out the natural sweetness of beets. Just toss them in a little olive oil, salt, and pepper, and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Add boiled beets to your hummus for a vibrant pink twist on the classic dip. It's perfect for pairing with veggies or pita bread. For an easy, on-the-go option, try beet powder. It's dehydrated beetroot that you can add to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt for a quick nutrient boost. While beetroot is incredibly healthy, it's worth mentioning a few things to keep in mind. This is a harmless side effect where your urine or stool may turn red or pink after eating beets. It's completely normal but can be surprising if you're not expecting it. Beets are high in oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stone formation in people who are prone to them. If you have a history of kidney stones, consult your doctor before adding large amounts of beetroot to your diet. So there you have it, the incredible benefits of beetroot. From supporting heart and brain health to boosting your athletic performance, there's a lot this humble root veggie can do. If you haven't tried adding beetroot to your diet yet, now might be the perfect time. Let us know in the comments if you have any favorite beet recipes, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying healthy and happy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.